Oh yeah, come through. Cause there's a lot of hikes over there. Like really, really good hikes. There's one famous one called Stairway to Heaven.
Oh, I heard of that one.
Yeah, it's really
My friend
famous.
did that.
Yeah, it's really famous. The thing is, they're tearing down the stairs.
Oh.
So I want to do it before they tear it down. But it's illegal, so you can get fined and
I
stuff.
did hear about that, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? The Hollywood sign's right there. Well, you can't even see it.
I've never did the Hollywood Heights.
Damn. Hollywood sign's over there, but we're over here. How are we gonna get there? Is it gonna be like
It's probably
around?
I think your map is
Yeah. Maybe, but then that means you can just walk up the hill right there and then
You want it? It's not a trail. You could
yeah,
climb.
but you can see like a trail right there a little bit.
That's probably the easy trail that I found, remember? The
What do you mean?
1.7 miles.
No, I think it's different though. The one that you have starts somewhere else.
Oh.
That's why I kind of like this one because it's a parking spot.
Yeah.
The other one just seems like it was someone's neighborhood.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean?
Maybe this one.
So yeah, it might bring us all the way around that way. Why are you laughing?
The Hollywood Heights over there. Why are we going this way?
Yeah, I think it goes around all the way back that way.
You didn't know. Nice water.
Okay.
Is there moon cake?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, I love it.
It's just a really good one. Hold up. Let me got my water too. Put it down. Imagine I left yours in my car.
I'm
'Cause
keeping
I'm-
yours.
Hey.
You want to try my water? It's chili lime.
It's not my time to eat yet. I'm just kidding. I could eat, but it's okay.
It's almost time anyways. You got an hour left.
Yeah. I brought bananas too. Wait.
Wow. So, what is that? Yeah. Banana?
Yeah.
Dried banana?
Dry?
Yeah, in the silver package.
Oh no, those are beef jerkies and candy bacon.
Oh shit, candy bacon.
Yeah. My yeah. Let me see. It might not. But it might already be close.
I think so, but...
Yeah, they're like halfway.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Wow. You're doing it. Wanna run?
We can run, okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
Hey?
I do not wanna run.
Almost
Oh,
halfway.
sweet. Wow.
Oh, and Griffin's Park's right there.
What?
Griffin.
Oh,
Griffin's Park.
we should go to Griffin Park. Or the observatory.
Yeah. All the hills gone. For now. Oh shit, is that horse shit?
Yeah.
People ride horses up here?
Yes. One time I stepped on a human poop.
In San Francisco?
Yes. Okay, so
Yeah, after sitting in the car and eating for a couple of weeks, this is tough. You know how I just sit in the car and eat
oh yeah.
while I drive? Yeah,
That's rough.
that's not good.
It's because you're used to your hometown, you're used to your family and your friends and doing things as a group and what the group likes to do.
Yeah.
And then those things become your hobby.
Yeah,
But when
And
you're
you-
by yourself, you're like, what the fuck is my hobby? What do I like?
yeah, yeah. You find yourself when you're alone and you find things that you really, really want to do and like to do. So I used to like well, I hate walking. Generally, I just hate walking. But if you tell me to go, let's go on a hike, I don't mind going on hikes. And I used to never realize I like hiking. I just do hiking like before. I used to hike like maybe once or twice a year. Like I don't know, like you know, just hiking when the events going on, just people hiking, or like when I go camping, just hiking. I just do it. But like I feel like I actually enjoy hiking. You know, like even though I hate walking. Maybe I go this way. So yeah, I mean, I would like to hike, and I would like to. This sounds a little corny too, but I like making like videos showing my experiences and what I'm doing, and I want to show it to other people so that they can feel like they're there with me, or like they can experience it without having to be there because they can't or whatever, you know.
No, I think that's awesome.
Wow, this is really close.
I want to get in the
Huh? Oh, you know you can get up there, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right now? No, like walk up there.
Why not?
Hold on, let's rest here and maybe take some pictures.
Alright, I'll take some pictures of you.
You don't want any?
I'll take some of you.
Got to the Hollywood sign. Marina, what's up? Celia Valley. It's pretty nice from up here, like the city.
The city skyline.
But it's not like bad right now. Like you still see it. And imagine someday it'll be like smoggy and you can't really see it. But yeah.
Great Danes are so cool. They're amazing.